Hey everyone, welcome back to Mammoth Club, where we break down the biggest AI moves shaking up the tech world. Let's dive in. TSMC hits the big time. Welcome to the $1 trillion club. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company just hit a $1 trillion market cap, cementing its role as the heartbeat of global tech. What's happening? TSMC's market cap hits $1 trillion milestone. Chip-making giant powers global tech supply chains. Strong demand boosts semiconductor industry growth. Stay sharp and watch how semiconductor shifts shape the future of AI and gadgets you use every day. Malaysia's bold new play to lead the AI game. Malaysia just unveiled a bold plan to become a global AI leader, and it's packed with smart strategies to supercharge innovation and growth. What you need to know: Malaysia targets AI leadership with a fresh national strategy. Focuses on building AI talent and tech ecosystems fast. Plans to turbocharge AI adoption across public and private sectors. Staying tuned to Malaysia's AI push means riding the wave early. Big AI opportunities are brewing in Southeast Asia. Yuan unveils Pandora. Our AI's new best friend is here. Say hello to Pandora, Yuan's sleek new AI platform built for instant business transformation. Think faster, smarter, and way more efficient. AI right out of the box. The breakdown: Pandora speeds up AI deployment with zero hassle. Designed to boost business efficiency instantly, built to adapt and scale with your needs. Whether you're scaling up or streamlining, Pandora delivers AI power without the pain, fast, flexible, and future-ready. LexisNexis unveils Prot-G, your new personalized AI powerhouse. Introducing Protégé, the powerful new AI tool from LexisNexis designed to make legal research smarter, faster, and personal. The highlights: Protégé customizes AI to fit your unique legal needs effortlessly, speeds up research with sharper, context-aware results, integrates smoothly with existing LexisNexis tools for seamless workflow. Ready to turbocharge your legal game, Protégé's personalized smarts mean less time searching and more time winning. Tesla's Indian dream hits a bumpy road, but Elon's not backing down. Tesla finally delivered cars to India, but the initial hype is fading. Why? Local fans are hitting the brakes. High prices and a tough market climate are putting pressure on Elon Musk's big India move. Key details: Tesla launches in India, but fans aren't as thrilled anymore. High prices and limited options turn off new customers. Musk's charm can't fully conquer India's auto scene yet. Knowing Tesla's India struggles helps you spot market gaps and tech trends early. Kartkan's big leap, from deliveries to drones and robots. Kartkan just made a bold move, shifting from sidewalk delivery bots to heavy-duty industrial robots designed for warehouses and factories. The lowdown shifted focus from delivery bots to powerful industrial robots. Targets factories and warehouses demanding smarter automation. Aims to boost efficiency with adaptable high-tech machines. Know where robotics is heading. Smarter, stronger bots indoors will transform industries fast. The secret sauce to scaling big, straight from Tesla's former prez. The ex-Tesla president just dropped game-changing insight on what really fuels explosive business growth. No fluff, just proven practical moves that work for startups and giants alike. What's happening? Scale with a clear vision, not just crazy growth goals. Build a culture that moves fast but stays super focused. Hire for passion and skill, ignore distractions. Knowing how top leaders scale can turbocharge your projects and startups. Use these insights to focus your efforts and grow smarter, not just faster. Sponsored by Mammoth Club. Why pay hundreds for individual tech courses when you can get 2,000 plus premium courses, certifications, and AI tools, all for just 50 cents a day? From CompTIA and AWS to Azure, Mammoth Club gives you full access to expert-level training with no hidden fees, plus new content added monthly. It's the smartest way to level up your tech career without breaking the bank. Unlock your all-access pass now. Tools for AI Edge. Supercharge your learning and communication with these powerful AI tools. Servest, AI-powered climate intelligence. Jupiter Intelligence, AI for physical climate risk analytics. Tomorrow.io, AI-powered weather intelligence. GHG-SAT, AI analytics for GHG emissions. Windy.com, AI-assisted weather forecasting. That's all for today's roundup of the latest tech and AI updates. Like, subscribe, and grab the AI Edge newsletter for free updates straight to your inbox.